Hi, I am Vijay Kumar Gupta from Economics Study Capital. In this video, you will watch 20 multiple choice questions which are very important for all students. These questions are related to various chapters of economics. If you are students of economics or preparing the competition examinations like UPSC, SSC, Railway, Bank, State Public Service Commission, UGC NET, etc., these questions will help you a lot. Here you can assess yourself with countdown timer. You may pause the video and give answer before the display the right answer. So please watch this video complete, and if you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. First question of this video is, when was the first industrial policy of India announced? Options are A. 1947, B. 1948, C. 1950 and D. 1956. Right answer of this question is 1948. Second question of this video is, the industrial policy of 1956 emphasized on the strategy of. Options are A. light industries, B. small and medium industries, C. heavy industries and D. none of the above. Right answer of this question is heavy industries. Question number 3rd. When was the liberalized industrial policy of India announced? Options are A. 1st April 1991, B. 1st May 1991, C. 24th June 1991 and D. 24th July 1991. Right answer of this question is 24th July 1991. Fourth question of this video is, Foreign Exchange Management Act FEMA became operational since. Options are A. 1st April 2000, B. 1st May 2000, C. 1st June 2000 and D. 1st July 2000. Right answer of this question is 1st June 2000. Fifth, economic growth means. Options are A. increase in real national income, B. removal of inequality, C. increase in price level and D. none of the above. Right answer of this question is increase in real national income. Sixth, labor force comes from the population in the age group of. Options are A. 4 to 14, B. 10 to 15, C. 15 to 59, D. 60 to 75. Right answer of this question is 15 to 59. Question number 7. National income can be increased by. Options are A. increase in population, B. increase in the rate of investment, C. increase in unemployment and D. decrease in price level. Right answer of this question is increase in the rate of investment. Question number 8. Planning Commission prepared the first 5-year plan FYP for the period. Options are A. 1951 to 1956, B. 1950 to 1955, C. 1956 to 1961 and D. 1991 to 1996. Right answer of this question is A. 1951 to 1956. 9. When was the establishment of National Development Council in India? Options are A. 15th March 1950, B. 1st April 1951, C. 6th August 1952 and D. none of the above. Right answer of this question is 6th August 1952. Question number 10. Dash is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Options are A. Economic development, B. Sustainable development, C. Economic growth, and D. Human development. Right answer to this question is sustainable development. 11. Among these, which one of the indicators which are currently used in the Human Development Index HDI? Options are A. Real GDP per capita, B. Birth rates, C. Employment rates, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is real GDP per capita. 12. A state of worklessness for a person who is fit and willing to work at the current wage rate is called. Options are A. Employment, B. Unemployment, C. Voluntary unemployment, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is unemployment. Number 13. For how many days MNREGA provides guaranteed employment? Options are A. 70, B. 80, C. 90, and D. 100. Right answer of this question is 100. Question 14. Reserve Bank of India Bulletin and National Accounts Statistics are source of. Options are A. Primary data, B. Secondary data, C. Both primary data and secondary data, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is secondary data. 10. CSO publishes data on. Options are A. National income, B. Population, C. Density, and D. All of the above. Right answer of this question is national income. 16th. Which economics deals with the issue of what ought to be and is based on value judgment? Options are A. Positive, B. Negative, C. Normative, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is normative. 18th. Which economics relates to the phenomenon of what is, which is based on facts? Options are A. Positive, B. Negative, C. Normative, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is positive. 18th. The addition to the total utility derived from the consumption of an additional unit of a commodity is called. Options are A. Utility, B. Cardinal utility, C. Marginal utility, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is marginal utility. 19th. The power of a commodity to satisfy a human want is. Options are A. Utility, B. Total utility, C. Marginal utility, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is utility. Last question of this video is total utility is maximum when marginal utility is. Options are A. 1, B. 2, C. 0, and D. None of the above. Right answer of this question is 0. I hope you really like this video. Please comment, like, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.